putting in this new Delta exhaust fan for the restroom. It has a fan, a light, and a heater all included in one thing. So we'll show you what comes in the box here before we get it installed, and then show you what it looks like once it's installed. So it comes with some rails to install it between your ceiling joists if you want to install it that way. You're probably not going to use those, but that's what comes with it. And they're on each side here of this foam. So there's your other one. And then this is the cover. This has the light included in it. And then there's your screws you're going to need and your instructions. And then this is how it mounts up in the ceiling. This will be your exhaust. And then this is your heater side, so it sucks air up into the fan and goes through the heater coils and blows out your heat on this side, and then you can exhaust your bathroom humidity out of that side. The thing you got to have to run this, you have three things. You have your light, your exhaust fan, and your heater. You need 3 power wires going to your box to be able to do this. Otherwise, some only have 2, some only have 1 power wire. So if you don't have that set up, you're going to have an electrician do that, or look up how to do that online. Make sure you know what you're doing. Yeah, we'll get this in and then show you what it looks like. Just removing the old exhaust fan here, trying to find all of our screws. So I'm going to show you here. We have all of our neutrals going to this one here, and then we have a ground, and then we have they have 2 wires running to this fan, 2 Romex wires, and so obviously I have 2 black wires. One goes to the black on the fan, one goes to the red on the fan, and then they're actually using a white wire which they've wrapped in black tape, and that's your 3rd hot wire, and that's going to your yellow here on this old fan. So we got three power wires, which is what you need to run this new fan. I got the hole cut out for the rectangular shape. All right, there's the finished product. That's what the fan looks like all installed. Very nice.